Stage 2. Sampling and Statistics. Sampling is a critical part of Stage 2. Why? Well, if you're looking to prove that your process is reproducible, consistent, and delivers a quality product, you need to take samples and test them to show that they all share common characteristics. We're looking specifically for samples from the same batch to show similar attributes. We also want samples taken from different batches to have the same attributes. The samples need to come from each unit operation of the process. This means numerous samples are taken and analyzed, so a sampling plan is required. The sampling plan includes the method of sampling and the number, frequency, location, and size of samples. Statistics have a key role in all aspects of Stage 2, and the sampling plan needs to be statistically sound. Number of runs. A key consideration is how many batches need to be manufactured for qualification. The number of batches chosen depends on many factors. For example, there may already be sufficient amounts of process and quality data available that could be used to justify the number of batches made in Stage 2. Everything learned about the product in the process design phase would also be considered, along with the complexity of the process and the results of the engineering runs. While 3 qualification batches would traditionally have been the norm, from a regulatory point of view, it is now deemed to be important that any approach taken can be justified from both a scientific and risk-based perspective.